Hi, and welcome to another video by Jim the Car Guy. Today I'm going to show you how to change the air filter on this 2019 Honda. It's an HRV. It's a very simple job that anybody could do, so don't let the dealer put it in for you. You can do it yourself and save yourself a few bucks. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to locate where the filter is. This is where the filter is located right here. So let me bring you in there. I'm going to show you how to get it out, put the new one in, and get this job done. It's real quick. Let's take a walk over and I'll explain to you. Okay, so this is where your air filter is located. It's a very simple job. You'll notice that there's clips here, here, and one more clip on this side over here. First thing you do is you pull that clip off, push this clip here over, same thing here. Then you lift this up, and this has a little piece like this in the back that it actually fits under. So you want to lift it up, pull it forward just a little bit, and it frees up the filter, and then you can take the filter right out. Okay, as you can see, it's a little bit dirty, so let's grab our new filter, let's put it back in and get this job wrapped up. Now you'll notice that this filter has this cutout area right here. That's how you want to put it in. You took it out this way, you need to put it back in the exact same way. So let's grab the new filter and put it back in. Okay. Now, personal preferences, you can pick any filter you like. This particular one, I got the original OEM filter for it because that's just what I purchased. But you can get an aftermarket filter if that's what you choose. We just lift this up now like this, take the filter, put it in here like this, push it in. It falls right back in position. In the back here, we're just going to catch the back in there. You'll feel it pop in place. Just like that, and now it's hooked in the back. You just push this up here like that, and like that, and the filter is now done. So as you can see, changing the filter is a very, very simple job that just about anybody can do. Make sure you have your new filter in your hand before you go and take the old filter out. Make sure it goes back in exactly as you took it out, and that's it, you're done. All right, this job's finished. We're going to close the hood down. We probably are going to check the cabin filter too, so if you're watching for a cabin filter, stick around. I'm going to take a look inside there now. We'll see what that looks like. First thing you want to do, obviously, is get yourself the filter. Whether you're going to go with the OEM or you're going to go with an aftermarket filter, that's personal preference. In this particular case, I'm going to be using the OEM filter, but let's go inside. The filter is actually located on the right side of the dashboard where the glove compartment is located. We're going to take the glove compartment, push the two tabs in, pull the glove compartment out slightly. We're going to unhook a little hook on the side. That's a retractor, and then we're going to pull the glove compartment down, and we'll take that filter out. All right, enough talking. Let's get in there. Let's get this job done. Should take you all of about 5 minutes. Come on. Okay, so remember, it's up inside here, so we're just going to take this. We're going to open up the glove compartment just like this. We're going to come over to this side right here. Let me bring you in there. I'll show you what I mean. Underneath here, you see that little lever right there. We're going to take this little lever here, and we're just going to take it and disconnect it. Okay, and this piece here right here, this is the retractor arm that keeps it from going too far. We need to remove this from the outside part of the glove compartment. And the way you do that is you just take this piece right here, push it down towards the floor, and it pops off. So let's do that. It's a little tough to do one-handed. Okay, and basically all you do is that piece, that hook right there, unhooks down underneath the bottom right here. All right, so we'll just put that up out of the way just like that. And now we're going to come in over here. We're going to push this piece in here, and we're going to push this piece in here, and we'll remove it. Okay, so we grab it here and here, and we pull it in this way, just like this, and the glove box opens up just like that. And now I'll bring you in there and I'll show you what the other piece looks like in there. Okay, and that's the filter right inside there. Okay, now we have the glove compartment down and out of the way. We're going to come up underneath here. We're going to take that little tab right there, push it in, take this cover right here, push that tab in as well, take this out, pull our filter out, just like this. And we're going to grab our replacement filter now and put it back together. Okay, now we have our replacement filter. We're going to take the filter, just slide it in here, just like this. Push it all the way back in. You'll feel it slide all the way in. Make sure that your arrow is facing the correct direction. You can see airflow is going down, and that's how the air is flowing down through there. We take our cover, put it back over the top like this, and like this, push it, and it locks in place. We'll take this out. Take our glove compartment, lift it up, push it in. It goes in there. And the last thing we're going to do is come up underneath here. Right, take our little hook like that, pull it down like this, put it on here, push it up, lock it in place, close it up, and that's it. We're all done. All right, so that's it. Cabin filter is fairly easy. So don't let the dealer charge you to put a cabin filter in. Put it in yourself, save yourself a few bucks, and that's it. We're all done. Now, I will tell you this, that if you take that cabin filter out and there's a lot of leaves and debris up on top of there and they fall down inside the blower motor itself, take your regular house vacuum cleaner and you can vacuum out any kind of leaves or debris that can be in there, because sometimes the leaves fall into that squirrel cage down there and you'll get like a rubbing type noise where the leaves are being chewed up on the squirrel cage. So if there's a lot of debris on top, vacuum it out before you put it back together. But that's it. Job's done and out the door. All right, as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.